Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard First Semester, First Book. Open page number 6. Open page number 6. We will start our revision with a small poem that is My Body. My Body. My body means what, children? Do you know? Hands, legs, eyes, ears, teeth, lips. Yes, all your body portion will come in that. All your body portion. Okay? Fingers are there, toes are there, stomach is there. This is my body. So listen, sing, and act. Learn the poem. Learn the poem. Here, what are you going to do is you have to write the difficult words. First thing is difficult words. Two, then little hands, then clap, the spelling of clap. Then again two little, little spelling is not required. Feet you have to write. Then your tap, spelling of tap. Then here open, open, wide. Here ears, ears is, you have to mark ears. Here cat cry. Then white, spelling of white, clean teeth, lovely smile. Then wish, wish, mummy good, and spelling of night. These all words you have to, whichever words I have marked now, those words you have to write for five times the spelling, because when I ask you to write the poem, the spelling should be written correctly. The spelling should be written correctly. Okay. So this poem, what it says, sing, learn the poem, sing and act. Two little hands, two little hands. Two little hands, what we do? To clap, clap, clap. Two little feet, feet. This is feet and this is hands. We clap with our hands. We tap, tap, tap with our feet. We tap with our feet. Two little eyes are open wide. See here, our eyes are opened. Our eyes are open wide. Then white clean teeth for a lovely smile, or for a lovely smile. See, if you are eating chocolate, so that time your teeth will not be white. It will be not in a proper way. It will be dirty one. And white clean teeth for a lovely smile. If you smile, see. Okay. Now, two little lips to wish mommy good night. Two little lips. This is lips. Lips. To say, to wish mommy good night. To say mommy good night. So, I will say this poem in, sing the poem in rhythm. Okay. Two little hands to tap, to clap, clap, clap. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little feet to tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. Two little eyes are open wide. Two little ears to hear a cat cry. To hear a cat cry. White clean teeth for a lovely smile. White clean teeth for a lovely smile. Two little, here, two little lips to wish mommy good night. Two little lips to wish mommy good night. Good night. Two little hands to clap, clap, clap. Two little feet to tap, tap, tap. Two little eyes are open wide. Two little ears to hear a cat cry. White clean teeth for a lovely smile. Two little lips to wish mommy good night. To wish mommy good night. Okay. These are the oral work for you to answer. What time do you get up? What time do you get up? What do you do with your legs? What do you do with your legs? What do you do with your hands? With your hands, what do you do? What do you use to take a bath? What do you use to take a bath? Then do you pray in the morning? Do you pray in the morning? Now see here. Read each word aloud. Identify the body parts. Write their names in the given space. In the given space. Hands, legs, eyes, ears, toes, fingers, lips, teeth, head, hair. So these are the body parts. Here are the words. You have to identify and write here. You have to write here the body parts. Okay. Now you have to by heart the spellings. After that you will be able to identify the body parts and just go on writing over here. Now come to the next page. Page number 8. Then match the pairs. Write the answers in the given space. Parts of the body is given here. Actions are given here, and this is the answer you have to write. Hands, what we do? Hands, what we do? Hands to clap. Hands to clap. Right here. Hands to clap. To clap. Yes. Here you can mark here. You can, to clap is there. No, here you can write A. Here A answer you can write. In your book you can write, you can mark here. To clap. Legs what we do? Legs to tap. You can write here B. Here you can write B. Then eyes are to see. This is C1. See, I am marking the answers for you. Then ears are there to hear. This is D answer. Answer D. Then teeth. What we do with our teeth? We to chew. This is E1. Teeth E1. And fingers to hold. This is F1. Have you got it? See here. Have you got it? See here. Hands to clap. Legs to tap. Eyes to see. Ears to hear. Teeth to chew. Fingers to hold. Has been given, no? Yes. See here. Okay. Now, activity language development. Read aloud, repeat after the teacher. A and D and. LAP lap. EAR ear. Then BAND band. CLAP clap. DEAR deer. HAND hand. FLAP flap. FEAR fear. LAND. Then SLAP slap. HEAR here. S-A-N-D, sand. N-E-A-R, near. N-E-A-R, near. These all words are there, see. These words are there, no? And lap, ear, after that band, clap, deer, hand, flap, fear, land, slap, here, sand, near. These all words you have to write for 5 times and learn by heart. And learn by heart. Now come to the page number 9. Come to the page number 9. This is action 2. Observe the pictures, identify each action, write the names of the body part that is used for these actions. Each actions. Actions, body part. What we are using here, we have to write that. So, to brush our teeth, what we use? Hand. To eat, hand. To walk, legs. To walk, legs. Here. See here, she's skipping. Skipping. That is hands and legs. Hands. She's combing her hair, no? And mouth. She's reading with the help of mouth, no? With the eyes she's seeing and mouth. Both she's using. Eyes and mouth. Okay. Then here. Hands, legs. Hands. Hands. Here also hands. Hands. Here what she is doing? Here also she is using the hands. And here what she is using the body part? Ears. She is hearing. Ears. With the ears. Yes. We have completed page number 9 also. Yes. Now see here. Page number 10. Page number 10. Make new words by combining words from list A with suitable words from list B. Write the new words in the given space. In the given space. So A and B. Bath. Bath. What will you write here? Bath tub. Then tooth brush. Here B column they have given the words but not in a correct sequence, not in a correct order. What we required with A, in B they have given the word but not in a correct line. We have to search the words and write. Then lunch box. Lunch box. Popcorn. Door bell. Door bell. Okay. Then nail cutter. Nail cutter. Cutter, right. C-U-T-T-E-R. Nail cutter. Ice cream. Ice cream. C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. Have you got it? Yes. So once again you can have a look. Have a look over that. Yes. What is there? Bath tub. Toothbrush. Lunch box. Popcorn. Door bell. Nail cutter. Ice cream. With the help of the picture you have to join the letter. You have to write the correct letter with the help of the picture. See here, this picture you have to write. The answers are given in B. With the A you have to match B. Now page number 11. Activity, grammar, singular and plural. Add S to make many. One singular, many plural. One singular, many plural. One singular, many plural. Hand, hand, hands. Hand, hands. Leg, legs. Nose, noses. Nose, noses. Okay. Ear, ears. Ear, ears. Lip, lips. finger, fingers, finger, fingers, toes, toe, toe, toes, toe, toes. Only SS you have to put there. Then eyes. Why I have written here hands? Only this spelling you have to write. Go on writing. Just S you have to put. That is, this is one side is singular. Singular means one. Singular means one. Many, plural. Plural means many. That is hands. Leg, legs. Nose, noses. Ear, ears. Lip, lips. Finger, fingers. Toe, toes. Eye, eyes. Pen, pens. This is one pen, only one. This is one pencil. If I show you one more, this is pencils because it is more than one. See here, so many pencils I have, and this is so many. See here, one. This is one. Singular only one, and plural. This is more than one. This is here, pens. Okay. Then book, books. Book, books. Bag, bags. Pencil, pencils. Table, tables. Tables. Chair, chairs. Chairs. Cap, caps. Fruit, fruits. 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 See here. Once again, see here. Pen, pens. Book, books. Bag, bags. Pen, pencils. Table, tables. Chair, chairs. Fruit, fruits. Cap, caps. Cap, caps. Fruit, fruits. Have you understood? Singular and plural. Singular is one. Plural is more than one. More than one. Have you got? Now, page number 12. Read and remember. One tooth but many teeth. One tooth but many teeth. One foot but many feet. One leaf but many leaves. One calf but many calves. Many calves. One box but many boxes. One fox but many foxes. Challenge. Fill in the blanks using words of your choice. Fill in the blanks using choice of your words of your choice. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Then Rita has a dash. Kamya has two dash. Then Raman has a box of what? You have to write here. Tanya has a nice dash. Meat has a dash and a dash. Okay, now take down the answer. Last time I have given you this to write for homework, but you have written or not. Rita has a pencil. Rita has a pencil. Kamya has two pencils. Rita has a pencil. Kamya has two pencils. Then Raman has a box of chocolates. Raman has a box of chocolates. Tanya has a nice dress. Tanya has a nice dress. Meat has a bat and a ball. Meat has a bat and a ball. So now whatever I have completed till now, you just go on writing for 2 times and learn by heart. You have to write all this for 2 times and learn by heart. From page number, learn by heart the poem Two Little Hands. And from page number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. From page number, what did I say? 6. That is poem you have to by heart. From 7 to 12. From 7 to 12 you read and write for 2 times and learn by heart. With this, we will meet in the next video. Thank you, children.